Tonight for dinner, I've got a real treat for you guys. I am making my wife and 2 of my 3 kids my special chicken breast pizzas. Let's get going. You don't want to miss this. So the base of the pizza is chicken breast. You want to dry it off really good because we're going to be tenderizing this thing down to something a little flatter. So you're going to want to get a big piece of parchment paper, bigger than you think you need. And I like using just regular paper towels just to help keep the splatter down. You want to get all the ridges out and kind of work it toward the end where you're going to get that kind of consistency, all right? Then now what you're going to do, take another piece of parchment paper about the same size. Part 2 of this step is fun. Now, here's step 2. This is for real, I'm not kidding. You're just going to take a board, something flat, and you're just gonna let it kind of work its way down flatter. And it will move out like pizza dough, but don't try a dough roller with this. That won't work. Now I've tried making these pizzas just by hammering it out and not doing this step, but some of the parts of the breast were still too thick. Check this out. That is super thin. I don't know how this stuff pops into my head, but it does. I'm gonna put a light coat of avocado oil on there. So here is your new pizza crust. Get some salt and pepper, little granulated garlic. Make sure you guys stay to the end. Just the look of these pizzas alone is worth the wait. So these are definitely ready. Just like a regular pizza. I've got some fresh mozzarella to work with. So I already know this smaller one's gonna be my wife's. So this is fresh Kirkland sausage. I just pulled the wrong one out of its casing and we're gonna do it up. A little pro tip from a ex-Domino's pizza maker. Just leave enough room for the toppings to touch the cheese below or they'll be loose on the pizza. You want the cheese to be able to, as it melts, it's grabbing whatever's above it. I probably go a little too heavy on some of the toppings, but I can always remove a few if the other toppings get in the way. And I need my master pizza assistant. It's hard to find good help, you know what I mean? My pizza assistant? You brushed your hair. Yay. Oh, you're so cute. What do you think, guys? Am I going too heavy on these toppings? Little pro tip right here. This one's probably fine. This one's gonna need some help keeping everything on the pizza when it comes out. So what we're gonna do here, just put a little light on top. That'll just kind of weld everything together. My goodness, look at these. Can we talk? You guys enjoying this video as much as I am? And how many of you actually think you're gonna try to make these? Takes a little finesse to get those chicken breasts pounded out, but you got this. You can do it, be creative. That's part of the fun of cooking. Even on the boring carnivore diet, it can be a lot of fun. What do you think, kid? Think you're gonna like your pizza?
I'm gonna love it tomorrow.
If it ever happens. Oh, wow. I like to put the meat and the sausage on uncooked. They're small enough pieces that the 5 or 6 minutes, they're gonna be under the 400-degree oven. It's gonna be plenty enough to cook them. And the oils from the meat runs down onto the pizza. Oh, and it is just so good. I think I've mentioned this in other videos to you guys that I will use non-starchy vegetables as incidental garnishment. And I consider this amount of, non-starchy vegetables just basically garnishment. 95% of this pizza is all the chicken, the meat products, and the cheese. Also too, I know you guys have seen a lot of cooking videos from me and a few that I've talked about the carnivore lifestyle and a little deeper into the physiology of it. Do you guys want to see more of that? Because I really like talking about what I've learned on this diet. Now that I eat from my glucose and insulin, I've been able to maintain a 65-pound weight loss. Let me know if you guys would like to get some of that kind of stuff. They're going right back on their same cookie sheets. Our 6 minutes are up. Okay, so I got a pro tip for you guys. I turn my upper oven on low broil. Get it just a little tiny brown. And it only takes like a minute and a half. This one, less cooked than this other one. The top of the cheese started to get a little crisp. It's still really brown. It's gonna be epic, but it's definitely a little bit more cooked. And my wife actually likes it that way. What do you guys think? Do you like it a little more browned? Or do you like it a little less browned? This is yours, Jake. Jesse, that's yours. That's mine. That's Memes.
They look awesome. Do you have any recommendations to fix the shape?
There's always a critic. You can let them cool down a little bit, but you can usually plate them pretty good. The bigger ones take a little bit more finesse. Okay, people. This is it. What do you think? Personal pizzas, chicken breast. Help me come up with a name for these. Chicken breast smashed personal pizzas. Obviously, I don't want to use that, but if you guys can think of something, that would be great. And if I like it, that's what it shall be. What do you think?
It's really good though.
Is there anything that this is missing?
Carbs.
Kids.
Are you kidding?
Oh, God. Well, a nice carnivore pizza recipe, non-carnivore family approved. Give it a shot, guys. Let me know what you think. I really appreciate the comments. I read them all. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.